Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School. Now friends, this is Asif, class 4, topic geometry. So friends, before going to start, we will discuss about the definition of geometry and some examples related to that. Now friends, have a look. Now friends, the topic is geometry. Friends, geometry is derived from two Greek words, that is geo and metron. Now what about geo means, friends? Geo means friends earth, and metron means friends measurement. So now we can say the geometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with shapes, dimensions, sizes of anything, or we can say the geometric figure. Okay, geometric figures, or in other words friends, we can define geometry. Geometry is the branch of mathematics in which we study about the measurement of the earth. So what about the measurement of earth, friends? No, we can measure the area of triangle, area of rectangle, area of a square, area of quadrilateral, rhombus, area of three-dimensional shape like area of curved surface area of cylinder, now the total surface area of cylinder, and so forth. Now friends, see. Now friends, there are some important points related to geometry. First, the points. So what does point means? Point has no length, friends, no breadth, no thickness. So it is denoted by a capital letter of alphabet like capital A, capital B, capital C, capital X, Y, Z. Okay, that is point is the mark, but it has no breadth, no length, and no height. Now see the next term, the line segment. So the line segment, friends, has two endpoints like this. Suppose this is AB. So this is the example of AB, and we can draw this line segment on the piece of paper, and this is denoted by AB over bar. Okay. Now see, it can be drawn on the piece of paper and it can be measured. We can measure the line segment as 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 meter, and so on. Okay. Now see friends, next term ray. So friends, ray has one end point. It starts from one end point. It can not be measured. It cannot be drawn on the piece of paper. Now say friends, for example, so this is AB is the ray. So this is the one end point, and this ray starts from one end point and goes to infinity. So from one end point, it starts from one end point and goes to infinity. So, and this could be written as AB, and this is AB over ray. Okay. So this is not measurable length, so it cannot be measured. So the length of ray is infinite, indeterminate. So this is why we cannot draw on the piece of paper, but we can represent this ray on the piece of paper. We can represent the ray on the piece of paper like AB over ray. Okay. So this arrow indicates it is going to infinity. Okay, it doesn't stop over here. so it is not stopped there, but it goes to infinity. Now the next thing, now see friends, next point, line. So line has no endpoints, it cannot be measured, it cannot be drawn on the piece of paper, and it goes to infinity in both the directions. Now see friends, this is line. So, and this line having two arrows, this way and that way. So this arrow indicates it is going up to infinity, the left side, and it is going to up to infinity in the right hand side. So we can say this line cannot be stopped at any point. This is why it is having no end points. Okay, and the length of this line could not be measured. Okay, I hope you all are getting. So this is not an end point, it doesn't have end point. Okay, because this ray is going to be infinity and that ray is going to be infinity. Okay, and this is denoted by like this. So we can represent the line on the piece of paper, but we cannot draw the line on the piece of paper. Okay.